Salty's is obviously an iconic restaurant. People know Salty's on Alki more than any of the other locations because of the view behind us. When you come to visit Seattle, you come to visit Salty's on Alki. The structure underneath has been deteriorating slowly, which is pretty common for any structure above the water. We got some attention on that and we are taking care of it.
The first phase of the job was replacement of the pile. There were 23 pile that we had to replace. And then moving further inshore on the building, there are beams, and those beams have rotted out over the past 100 years or so, and it's time to replace those. So we're lifting the building up, relieving the strain on the old beam, cutting out the old beam, and installing the new beam.
The restaurant isn't being shut down, which is not normal for this kind of work, but we can't afford to have the restaurant shut down because we just can't. So Global has been really wonderful in helping us work around those challenges.
We typically work anywhere in the window from 8 p.m. until 10 a.m. It's definitely a different element to work in the dark, pretty much the whole shift. We have no way of running electrical beneath the building to have a light plant or anything like that. So we've learned to adapt to having really good headlamps. There becomes a point in a high tide where we cannot maneuver beneath the building unless we're in dry suits. The flip side to having those high tides is we're able to more easily install the beams that are going in place because we can pick them up and roll them into position. So we try to use the tides to our advantage, but they also hinder us at the same time. It's hard on your body. It's very labor intensive. You're up, you're down, you're left, you're right, you're all over the place on it, but it's that craziness that kind of attracts certain people to it. We wouldn't be as accomplished as we are without the crew that we have out here.
I call them the A-team. They are every morning ready to face whatever challenges they know that they're going to have, and they are still gung-ho and excited. It is pretty impressive. The ultimate goal is to finish this on time and within budget as usual and have everything nice and leveled again and a solid structure underneath to support this iconic restaurant so that it's here another 100 years.